If this is the first time you're coming across this YouTube channel, allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is Victor Isibo, the face and the voice behind Victor Isibo Reviews. Here on this YouTube channel, we're in the business of making you a better version of yourself in all ramifications. Finances, spirituality, morals, you name it. If stuff like this is what brings you to YouTube, I encourage you to subscribe to the YouTube channel, turn on the bell notification icon and put it on all so that you don't miss any of my subsequent uploads. Thank you, far too kind. And to my returning subscribers and viewers, salute. It's always a pleasure having you back on this YouTube channel. And today we're going to be talking about Punkpanda. Okay, Punkpanda. And before I begin any of my reviews, in typical fashion, for all my old timers, I always want to put out a disclaimer there. I am not an investment advisor. Do not take my word for it. Do your own due diligence. I will not be responsible for any profits made or any losses incurred as a result of you interacting with my content. And now that disclaimer is out of the way, let's get down to the nitty-gritty. Okay? Now, usually, of course, I always say this, the end of my reviews is where you get the real information that brought you here. The beginning is about going through the presentation slides or the website in question, and towards the end, and I'll give you my personal opinion and conclusion about the opportunity. Now, this is Punkpanda. This is the official presentation slides of Punkpanda. Okay. Now they said, imagine if you had a messaging app like WhatsApp or Telegram that paid you every day for using it and sharing it. Now imagine if those daily rewards represented your ownership in the success of the company. WhatsApp sold to Facebook for $19 billion. Dropbox file sharing service is valued at $10 billion. Zoom video conferencing is valued at $98 billion. Did you ever get paid for using or sharing them? Okay, now that is a rhetoric question. The answer is obviously no. You didn't get a share of Dropbox, Zoom, or WhatsApp despite all the money that they amassed. Now, we're talking about messaging app security. More and more people are becoming concerned about who else is listening when using these apps. How many times have you talked about something and then start seeing ads for it? Okay, who else has access to your messages, conversations, and images? Is your data safe or are you the product? Okay, let me counterpunch as I'm going along these slides. Now, this is true, especially this one. Okay, especially this one. Okay, how many times have you talked about something, then you start seeing ads for it? Okay, advertisement, social media advertisement is big business, multi-billion-dollar business. Okay, and a lot of people are concerned about their privacy when using these applications. Okay, because most of these applications, what they actually do is they sell your information to advertisers. They sell your preferences to advertisers. They sell what you view, what you like viewing, what you like talking about, what you like interacting with on those social media applications. They sell it to advertisers, collect money from advertisers, and they show you advertisements regarding those your areas of interests. Okay, so your information is actually being sold and given out in exchange for advertisement money. Okay, so when you're using these applications for free, you just think that you're using it for free. The owners of the applications are raking in a lot of money as a result of your usership. Okay, introducing Punkpanda, the world's first secure messaging app that pays you to use it and share it. It's totally free and rewards you Punkpanda multiple times a day. Military-grade encryption protocols protect your personal privacy and data security. The more you use it and share it, the more company tokens you will earn. Okay? A smart contract mints new tokens every 30 minutes. Okay, so when you use the app and you share the app, you hold the tokens in the app or in the farm, you earn tokens, you earn more Panda, Punkpanda tokens. Okay, every 30 minutes you get to earn. Okay. Punkpanda token, you have 275 million Punkpanda tokens maximum supply. The token listing symbol is ppm, starting at 0.10, that's 10 cents to $1 during its pre-sale. You earn Punkpanda tokens from your phone. You earn via proof of stake, proof of Panda Pals, requires little or to no energy for mining. Supply schedule to be minted over 15 years. Like Bitcoin, Punkpanda will have a regular halving schedule at 2, 4, and 8. Okay. Token allocation, of course, they tell you the total supply of tokens, like we said earlier, is 275 million. The ones that have been pre-mined is there. We're talking about token pre-sale, talking about marketing, airdrops, and promos, and this is a way of you getting to earn free Punkpanda tokens. Okay. Now we're talking about the 4-phase mining schedule. The good news is that you can still mine Punkpanda tokens for free, and you guys should not overlook this Punkpanda token, because apart from when you look at crypto tokens that are just coming up, whether they are in their pre-sale or ICO stages, the most important thing to look out for is the use case of that particular cryptocurrency token. And this is a very, very important and very powerful use case: social media interaction. And if you look in the description of this video and also in the pinned comments, I'm going to put a guide with which you can register on Punkpanda, and you can begin to use it for free, interacting with your family and friends, getting more and more people to use the application, interact with the application. You would be probably earning quite a lot of Punkpanda tokens every 30 minutes. And by the time it goes live and is listed on exchanges, as it's expected to be listed on PancakeSwap soon, you are going to be converting it for money. Who doesn't like free money? Okay, this to me is like an upgrade of WoW app, because WoW app is not crypto related. Okay, WoW app is they are not doing an ICO or a pre-sale. They are not looking to be a crypto token. Okay, they are just like an internal currency with a conversion rate. But Punkpanda has more potentials, because it's like a crypto. And imagine you having the opportunity to have earned free Bitcoin by interacting with people back then, and the coin appreciating in value. So let's say Punkpanda token is a utility token with its value supported by the Panda products: encrypted Panda Pro messaging app, encrypted Panda post file sharing, encrypted Panda Meet video conferencing, encrypted Panda Vault storage, digital crypto wallet, Panda Play video gaming, NFT marketplace, DeFi lending, Panda gifts and stickers. This token is loaded with lots of important use cases. Now, let's talk about the Panda products. Okay, you have the Panda app, which is a military encrypted communication app. Okay, with the goal of protecting you and your contact. Okay, peer-to-peer communications via encrypted instant messaging, voice and video calls, file transfer, everything encrypted. Other cool Panda app features include hide or zap your content, read messages without sender knowing, send mega files transfers, up to 15 to 20 minute videos, something that you cannot do on WhatsApp currently. Low, medium or high quality file share settings, fun Panda stickers and gifts. Of course, you have the Panda Pro, a subscription upgrade which includes all Panda app features plus VIP services. You have Panda Post, Panda Meet, Panda Vault. Okay, Panda Post is a secure file transfer service, okay, allowing you privacy and control over your content, okay. Panda Meet offers you user-friendly video conferencing facility that protects your privacy during meetings, okay. Panda Vault is a decentralized storage protocol which adheres to the one owner, one key principle, ensuring only you can access your personal data, okay. Panda Profit and Panda Play, they are some of the ways Panda Punk is tapping into the global trends of crypto and gaming. Okay, Panda Profit, secure digital wallet, DeFi, allows you to lend your currency. You can earn exciting profits and interest from your liquidity pools in the DeFi farm, and profits from staking your Punkpanda tokens. Okay, so you don't only earn Punkpanda tokens, you get to stake them and earn interests. It's a win-win-win-win situation, guys. So Punkpanda Play, it says Punkpanda game will provide a perfect play to earn opportunities. Panda Play NFT marketplace will allow users to buy and sell in-game digital items. The NFT market globally has exploded to $2.5 billion in the first half of 2021. The global online gaming industry in 2020 was valued at $130 billion. That's massive, guys. Okay, so this particular Panda Play is coming in 2022, this year. So anticipate, guys. Okay. This is the Punkpanda roadmap, which is still being followed. So you can get started with Punkpanda and see all the other stuff that are on offer. Now, this is the concluding part of the video. Let me react and counterpunch to all that we've been talking about. Now, cryptocurrency is the future of money. Okay, any opportunity to earn free cryptocurrency tokens, grab them, especially when the particular crypto token has staking opportunities where you can earn for free and stake to earn interest on what you earn for free. I mean, it's awesome. And of course, the use case of the crypto tokens is what most times determines the future. Punkpanda is not some pump and dump crypto token where the whales determine the future. The more relevant a coin or a token is, the higher its propensity for growth. And Punkpanda is looking good, and they will go far. On a scale of 1 to 10, I'm giving them a 7 over 10. I took 3 off because I want to be sure how it will do when it eventually gets listed, and how soon it's going to get listed, and how strictly the roadmap on the white paper is going to be adhered to. Okay, so I do recommend Punkpanda. Look in the description of this video, get on board Punkpanda, and let us interact. And for my viewers and subscribers who want to contact me, Punkpanda is another way you can contact me if you use the link in the description of this video and in the pinned comments. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like so that the YouTube algorithm will recommend it to more and more people. Subscribe to this YouTube channel if you haven't done so already. Till I see you in the next one, I remain Victor Esibo. It is bye for now. Channel if you haven't done